my God, so we made it. Made it to the extreme muffler shop. So let's see what these boys can hook us up with. What kind of deals they got. Extreme performance exhaust. Just made it with Charlie Brown. So we're finna see what we get done to it, because man, I'm losing a lot of pressure, power on this truck. So hopefully we get it done here today. We get something done today, and test her out. Tomorrow we do have a truck meet to go to, so we'll try to get her ready for that. And a ver qué pasa. But anyways, y'all stay tuned for this little vlog that I'm doing, and then we'll see. Alright guys, so we just got done with the exhaust. Right here, the Extreme Performance exhaust, and they did a badass job, man. I like the way it sounds. Not too loud, but just right. You know what I'm saying? Now let's take a ride back to the east side, and let's go test her out. See how she does. My little beach burn up. God damn, I got a lot of rocks underneath my truck. We're scraping everywhere, boy. Charlie Brown too goddamn low. We on the low side too, boy. So we're gonna have to pick her up some at the front. Oh yeah, we like it. Oh yeah, way better. Way better. Shout out to the boys at Extreme Muffler Shop. They offer TIG wheel. Badass work, man.